What?
That's good?
I'm good.
Okay.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. So, today is the day. We are revealing the kitchen today. The time that I'm filming this video is literally the day before Thanksgiving, if that's when you're watching it, because I'm going to upload it as soon as we get done with this intro. And we made the cut. We set a date, or we set a goal to have the kitchen completely done by Thanksgiving. We also realized that this was the last room to be done, right? On the lower level, we have been working on this lower level, and I actually ventured upstairs to the master too in the 7 months of working on the house. Do you have anything to say about all this hard work? Because we are done. Done. Mm-hmm. He believe we done?
I can't believe it. I can believe it. I absolutely believe it.
I was a little bit in doubt, y'all, about
a lot of bit in doubt.
Okay, well, I was.
A lot of bit in doubt.
I was. I was. I was. I'm not gonna lie. And we, up until probably like 3 hours ago, during the recording of this video, we worked on the final touches of completing the kitchen so that I could film this video the day before Thanksgiving. Now, we'll say this. I wasn't able to download the previous house tour of the lower level from about 6 months ago, which I will link down below in the description bar so you can go back and look at that video, compare it to the lower level of the house now. Because we're done.
We're done. Little bitty, some here and there, little pieces, but yeah.
Little pieces of what?
It's just just like small little details that I see, a couple of pieces of shoe mold and stuff like that. But yeah, other than that, we're finished.
We're done.
Yeah, we're finished. I mean, it was a journey. It was a journey.
And we didn't.
It was a journey. We
didn't cut each other's heads off.
Not at all.
Which typically you learn a person's true colors doing home renovations. And we still here.
Still here. Yeah, I know in the beginning I told you, I said, well, just do whatever because, your vibe's so dope, and so I love it, and so I just wanted that, same. So that's why I said just do you, but, you kept dragging me in. She kept dragging me in. I'm like, why is she dragging me in? And the more we got into the process, the more I enjoyed being dragged in. To actually, it even wasn't a drag anymore. It was like I'm full in, jumping in, hey, swimming, coming up with my own little, things that I think that was cool. So yeah, all in all, I mean, from what it was, don't get me wrong. I didn't have an issue, with the way it was before. It was very warm, warm, right? But it was still me just trying to figure out stuff because that started over,
right?
And just me just trying to figure out stuff, just getting things that I think I like or whatever the case is, but none of it really made any sense.
But you liked it though, so
but I liked it,
yeah.
So I guess my style was more, I can't even say eclectic, but it wasn't no style.
It was you.
Until what even styles were, like themes and stuff like that, and so I had no idea as far as how you could go could go into a store and pick out stuff that I would never ever touch a day of my life, and then to put it together. And see, that's the thing. I think that's the thing is that I really just had to step aside and just let the process happen, because if I was offering too much of my opinion, then a couple of times it just threw your vibe off, And so, but all in all, I love it.
What's your favorite part of the entire kitchen? What's the it factor for you in there?
The kitchen?
Yeah, what's that one? You can only choose one thing.
If I could only choose one, it would actually be the transformation from the little small desk, the kitchen desk, to the coffee bar. With that cooler, wine cooler. I mean, that's yeah.
It's nice.
Yeah.
Mine's would be that island. That island is doing it color, the waterfall side, the non-completed waterfall side.
And y'all, this the intro?
This is the intro.
Man, when you see the front of the island, well, the part that's facing the sink, ooh.
Beautiful. Now, I did not get, what I was saying was I didn't get to download the previous video, right? But what we did was I found pictures of what the kitchen looked like before you even moved in, right?
Mm-hmm.
Before Ron moved in, when he started to add his touches to it up to the actual reveal. So that is what this video will entail. I ain't gonna hold y'all another second. Shout out to everybody who rooted us on through this tiresome time. Okay, did you really? Now listen, all the actual details separated though will show up over on Ron's channel at some point when he gets them edited. All the installation of everything. You recorded everything in that kitchen, right? Mm-hmm. So it'll show up on his channel, which is linked down below in my description. And I think that's it. We are literally about to prepare our Thanksgiving meal.
Can I change my answer?
Your one thing?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
The sink.
The sink is it for you? The front house.
Wait a minute. The pantry.
Okay, Ron, you picked me.
The island.
Listen, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. If you are watching this right before Thanksgiving, I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving time with your family, your friends.
Yes.
And just, you know, live your best life and just be thankful. Because even if you don't think you have something to be thankful for, what did I tell y'all? You do. Even the smallest thing. Right? We love you. We got to go start our collard greens. And we got family here. And we are ready to party. Yeah? Yeah. Okay. Bye, y'all. So the picture that you're looking at right now is when Ron first moved into the house. White appliances and the natural colored cabinetry. This is just another angle of the same picture and time. Look how small the island is. This is a picture of Ron installing the tray ceiling. And a shot of the kitchen once he completed the tray ceiling, but before he added the backsplash. And another shot of the same picture, but at night. And he had changed the appliances by now. And here is a picture of what the kitchen looked like prior to the reveal that you are about to see right now.
Now a whole year has gone by. I thought what we needed was time. I wish I'd known better then. I do all the right things. There's so many things I regret, and so many moments pass me by that I could and should have reached out. I wish I'd known better then. I'd say all the right words so we could be happy again. I don't broken future. All the plans you made in your heart grew just to die. And now your damaged goods, damaged should have never been. Thought you were bulletproof, look at you, what happened? Did she hurt you? Are you okay, baby? Everyone gets hurt, that's how we learn to make love work. It's part of life, but if you need a lullaby, baby, don't cry no more. Just let her walk out your door. Baby, don't cry no more. Mama's here. I wrote a lullaby for you. Yeah. Wasted loving all the nights I spent wondering why we couldn't be. Ooh. And now that you're alone, you're on my phone, running game. But maybe, baby, when it settles in, that you're to blame.